Okay, on this episode of Lean To Customs, this is our 100 subscriber special because we hit 100 subscribers, which amazes me that many people want to see this stuff. We're going to do some yard shenanigans, do some tug of war and whatever else we can do. So we'll see a bunch of vehicles that we haven't seen in a while and some that maybe we haven't seen at all. So enjoy the video.
Austin promised you 100 subscribers, we'd get a pull-off. So we got the Subaru versus the two-wheel drive rodeo. Be round one. We will continue after this. You guys ready?
If I have to talk loud, that window won't roll down.
Okay.
Let me just open this one over here.
Austin's nervous, he's stalling. Stalling for time. Throw the chain through the back window when it breaks. All right, you guys ready? On your mark. Get set. Go. Well, I don't know. I don't think the Subaru's trying right now. Might want to try a little bit. All right, here we go. 1, 2, 3, go. He's pulling him. That just proves that four-wheel drive versus two-wheel drive never works.
Can I ask if I'm ready? Can you wait till I nod my head or something?
Okay, Austin's backtracking. Okay, Austin's backtracking now. He wasn't ready. On your mark. Here we go. Get set. Yeah, I don't think that works. All right. Winner of that round would be the Subaru. Woo! Okay. Next round, we're going to do the Ford there versus the Subaru. We're going to start out by doing the Ford in 2WD. Back up here a little bit. On your mark. Get set. Yes. On your mark. Get set. Go. Oh, he's holding it. Whoa. Well, I would declare that a tie. Oh, someone is cheating. Oh, he's got him going. He cheated. Cheater. So that tells us that the Ford cannot outpull the Subaru in two-wheel drive, but he can outpull him in four-wheel drive and dig holes in the parking lot, in the driveway. All right. There's Marshall doing his victory spins out there in the yard. We're moving to the back because it's too hard on the driveway. A majestic shadow there. Okay, we moved out to the back because it was tearing the driveway up. So we're going to try this again. Two-wheel drive Ford with the air on. Diesel 6.9 screaming demon against the Subaru 4-cylinder 4-wheel drive. 1, 2, 3, go! Oh, he is pulling, he's stopping. Oh. I call that a pretty even match because the Ford can't move unless he puts it in 4-wheel drive. Then he can move. There we go. All right, so Ford won that round.
Luckily it's not dry out here at all. All right, next up we got Austin's Ford. In two-wheel drive, air's still on. Versus the big
Also 2-wheel drive all the time. No air. All right, everybody's ready? Got 1, 2, 3, go. Got some spinning on the Ford, some spinning on the Big. I'm not really sure how to judge this. I'm gonna give him the win for that. He's really happy with himself.
A pretty good roost there.
Suburban's coming in. It won the last tug of war, which was just the Subaru. There was no Ford at that time. There's a story as to why he's climbing this stump, but I'll save that for another time.
Oh, he's gonna drive right off.
Finals. We got the Ford. He's in 2-wheel drive. Air's probably on. We got the Burb. It's in 4-wheel drive, but Austin doesn't know that. You ready? Here we go. Oh, that is the face of defeat. Oh no. All right. That was a cheater. That was a cheater win for the Suburban. Real final. This was the Ford in 4-wheel drive. This is the Suburban in 4-wheel drive. Everybody looks ready. Here it is. Oh. Same problem. I can't see. Nobody wins. This is a weird sport that people play. Austin has given up. Dad has not. He's just chilling. What are you doing?
I was just waiting on him to pull.
Oh, he said he's waiting on you to pull. I think he's in a hole. Somebody pull somebody. You got 101 subscribers that are going to be disappointed. What? This is a weird sport. Nothing? Suburban's in reverse, so be careful. Ah! Tight. Are we pulling? Give it another go. I don't think we got a functional limited slip between the group of them, except for maybe the back of that one. All right, we're just kind of freestyle shenanigansing now. This is a weird yard roller thing. It's the perfect height for the Suburban to climb. He is the king of the yard.
You back down real slow. Because you're about that far over.
Perfect. Nothing in the family has working brakes. Good. Beautiful.
Turn driver. Turn left. There you go. Now, nice and gentle. I realize how bad my brakes are with no vacuum. Be close.
call this segment Wheeling with Race Car Engine.
A lot of rock crawlers use big cams that don't work well at low RPMs. Oh, you can probably push it right over or smash your headlights. Win-win either way.
This is just random shenanigans.
Oh, you got it. You'll push it right out of the ground.
Hey, look, it's working.
Yeah, I probably need to pull that and get pushing it. Still in there pretty good. Yeah, I don't want to bust mine.
Ford is going to push a tree down. Maybe. Fun fact about the 6.9 non-turbo diesel, has absolutely no power or torque. I don't know why it was ever made. Pull this tiny tree down for whatever reason. Everybody tried to push it down a little bit, but it seems to have been concreted into the ground. Oh. Gonna have to bump it. There you go.
Roll under there. Good stuff.
We're doing a lot of things at once. We're pulling this tree.
Oh, that's not ideal.
We're climbing this tree. We're about to rub the sidewall out of the rear tire.
I'd recommend stopping there or you're going to get...
Come backwards to prevent. We might save it. He's not listening to his spot. Hey! Also, let him know there's a tree behind him. That's a 33-inch tire. A lot of women have them on their SUVs. Good. Other turn. Is it, because the
Ford parked over there because it would have obviously gotten stuck. That's about as off-road as the Ford goes. Flat.
yeah. Oh no, he's doing donut. Well, he's trying to do a donut. Could have a donut. I'm assuming he's saying something. Ford is cool, Chevy sucks. I think that's pretty much what just happened. We're gonna do a race car launch. And this is a pretty good rundown of why our neighbors hate us. Okay, the Subaru is going to try a launch like the Suburban.
Hello. Hello.
Sounds like a little rally car.
Tug of Wars went. How'd the Ford do?
The Ford did terrible. It has little skinny tires and hardly enough power to spin them. How'd the Suburban do?
Suburban did great. It crawls over a lot of things, but it,
We're talking about tug of war.
well, I won, basically.
Nobody wins tug of war. It's
I
a
won
dumb game.
because nobody could pull me. How'd Subaru do, Marshall?
Subaru's a lightweight. It beat the two-wheel drive rodeo.
True that.
Good.
Yeah. Tug of war's a dumb game. Because I can't win.
Thanks for watching. Thanks for 100 subscribers, because I didn't think that was going to happen. If you liked the video, leave a like, leave a comment, subscribe, tell your friends.
The more likes we get, the more stuff we're willing to tear up.
Right.
Which was the Suburban tonight.
Just the Suburban.
Right. Maybe the Ford next time if it keeps up.
It don't have enough power to break itself.